Okay, let's see. Let me see some. Let's see what. Let's do classical music this time. Let's see if this is any good. Maybe that'll help us trade. Alright, let me connect it. Is it working? I don't know if it's working. Okay, it is working, but it's too loud. Is that too loud? Just let me know. Alright, let's work it. Oh, we just took out Asia lows. This is what I was going for. Going to PM. Damn. We already took out the equal lows. Let me just listen. I don't even know if I want this classical. This one is not something I'm vibing with right now. Let's try this one. I'm vibing with this one. Alright, let's just see what we can get here. This is Asia lows up. What I was going for. Thank you. That's such low. We gotta look at the hourly here. Yeah, so this hourly breaker has been holding. That's what I've been looking for to take it out this lows. Just had two type of stop on it, unfortunately. Let's see. Let's head down here. Still expect NQ to head lower. Yep, this is what I wanted, but hopefully it'll stop longs though. Still within this breaker. Negative force innovation on the bottom of the breaker. Let's see where we go to. Sweeping this low here. See the 15 minute. Very consolidating. Yeah, but we could really do a sharp push now. It's now or never. How are we doing, guys? Still want lower prices, man. Oh, man. We're just going this 4 hours, so it's like not even that much of a retracement, yes, if you think about it. Still have plenty of to go. I wouldn't mind if this holds though. We have some relatively good lows here though. We've been holding all every dip too. Let's see what I want to do here. I'll just play what I see. I think since we're still consolidating, the bias is very hard to play by because we're still bullish bias here, but we're rejecting off this BPR, which you can see as bearish, bullish here. So like just go back and forth. So, like you can't really have a clear bias. ES, we're kind of heading lower though, and on the 4 hour, we're just doing like an internal retrace so far. Nothing crazy yet. So any buys that you have, it's gonna be hard to really play with. We'll just play what we see and just have very tight stops on it. I didn't know I could change this. This is much better. This is much cleaner for sure. Tell me if the volume's too loud too, guys. I'm not sure because we're just putting some classical music on this time. If it's too low, let me know. If it's too loud, let me know. Let's just see if we can make some setups out of this. Still lower prices. ES is reasonably going lower. So don't get faked out. This is critical here. Don't get faked out and trying to long the knife here. There's no confirmation whatsoever to long this knife. If we can close above this fair value gap and get somewhere above here, get a nice closure above here, this could be a long retap. Something like this, right? But, ooh, did not mean to do that. But besides this, this is not a long at all. This is, if anything, we're going to keep on playing short until. So that's if we do something like this. This is the only case I will long. But right now, you would want to ride every short you can, get down. Just based on how it's moving here. That's a -4 standard deviation there. Let's see. This hourly has been very, very supportive here. But let's see if we want to hold here. Once again, there was no long at all. If you try to long right there, you got killed for no reason. What level to long? Look for longs. It's not what level to look for longs. We need to see confirmation for longs. Right now, there's nothing. We want to see ideally, like we already hit the -4 standard deviation projection from the highs here. We want to see if we can maintain this hourly here. Maybe we could get a wick below, but still close above. That's when I'll kind of be hunting for longs. But ES is just showing much different here. ES is just wanting to go low prices. And we also have a 4-hour gap to fill here. We still have much more room to go. This is just the beginning here. We're in the hourly point of interest on ES, but that doesn't say anything that it'll stop the momentum there. But let's see here. I'm looking at this bullish breaker here. We need to get a nice closure below to violate this. I like this so far because it's still holding this hourly. This is probably our only chance of a long somewhere down here. We take all these relative equal lows. We have the -4 standard projection. We're still in this FEG here. We're just watching right now. And if I'm looking at longs, I'll probably take it on NQ, not on ES. ES has been very, very weak. We can just take a bullet shot though. Let's see if we get it. I don't know if I'm vibing with this classical music. Do we have... It started to go sideways for me. Let's just see something else. Just not something we can vibe to. With some vintage lo-fi, jazz, study. Oh, am I gonna copyright with this? I didn't know this is songs. No, we can't do that. Deep focus, let's do this one. Good reaction off NQ though. Equal highs is probably the target right now.